Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn about arithmetic operators in Python. Arithmetic operators in Python are used to perform basic mathematical operations on variables. These operations are essential for calculations and logical comparisons in network automation, where you often need to perform operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are the operations that I'm going to demo in this video, but there are other operations. So these are just the basic operations. So let's look at example number one, addition, represented by the plus sign. So we can use it to add two values together. So here we are just adding the number of device count or just device count and the number of new devices. And we are just assigning both variables. We are just assigning the result to a variable called total devices. So if I copy and paste this line of code, we should get total devices 8, which is correct. Okay, so let's look at subtraction, which is represented by the minus sign. So subtracts one value from another. So here we are subtracting 1 from 5, so we should get 4 in this case. So retries left should be 4. Yes, correct. And next is multiplication, which is represented by the star sign. So multiplication is used to multiply two values together. So here we are just multiplying the number of devices and the bandwidth per device here. And we are just assigning the result to a variable called total bandwidth. So if I copy and paste this line of code, we should get, I think this is 1000. Yes, 1000 Mbps. And last but not least is division. So division divides one value by another. So here we are just dividing the total bandwidth by devices. So I think we should get, let's see, we get back 100 Mbps bandwidth per device. Okay, so we've covered addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So again, there are other operations, but these are the basic operations that you would likely encounter in your network automation tasks. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.